Good morning. Welcome to Leo's Tech and Lifestyle. Today we're going to be unboxing a very exciting brand new product shipped to me by Wyze. It's a Wyze deadbolt lock, smart lock. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Woohoo! Wow, this is an honor for a review. It's a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled smart lock from Wyze. The trick about this lock is you actually don't have to change much. All you do is change the inside locking mechanism, not the deadbolt itself, not the key on the front of the outside of the lock, just the what you see on the inside for your own privacy. So let's get into it. It auto locks, unlocks, easy setup, works with your existing setup. You can remote control with an app. It has advanced hardware encryption. Wonderful. Yeah, this is a great piece of technology here. Okay, it works with Wi-Fi B, G, and N, only 2.4 gigahertz. So anybody that doesn't have that, you should think about if you can split your Wi-Fi band between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. You need Android 5.0 or iOS 9 or higher. Nice. Works with your Wyze app and iOS. Also available. Overall, looks like a high quality product. Be right back, and we're going to open the box itself.